Okay, so final reboot is worked. Okay, now let's we log in with the Oracle Linux 7. Let's we log in with this only first option. It's the actually virtual machine sometimes running this slow. Not sometimes, but many times because we created it on our top of physical computer. Okay, so it's very slow. Not very, but it's slow compared to other services. Okay, so now finally we are here. I'm click on this license. Okay, so we have to just first accept this license agreement. Click on done. License is done. Now network and hostname also connected. Click on the finish configuration. Configuration is finished. Okay, login screen is coming. Yeah, we are here now. This is the user which we have created, but first time. Okay, after installation first time, we will log in with our default user, which is the root user. So I'm giving username is root and password is Oracle. Remember everyone, default password of root is Oracle. So first time, whenever you are login, always log in with the root user and Oracle password. Here you can see that my cursor is inside this black box only. I'm trying to move it outside, but it's not worked. I need to press Alt Control Delete and cancel to take it out cursor. Once I go inside the black box and click press, okay, so again it will be not able to work outside. So mouse and these things are not supporting, so for that we need to do some setup over here, and for that let's we are doing the some steps. So first we need to go to this device. Okay, these things we will set up later on. We are going to inside, we are going to device, and we have to share the folder. So click on the shared folder. Okay, so here in shared folder, VM1 is already shared. Global folder is D drive, VM1 is shared. Impressed. Let's we check again. Others. If it's not, then what we have to do? Let me tell you that. Uh, Go to the your drive, and inside your drive there is one file. Okay, I'll show it you out from outside. See, this is the my D drive, and inside the D drive my VM1 shared folder is there where is the database files are present. Okay, so this you have to download, and this folder you have to share in a shared folder. Remember this, everyone? So it's already shared here in my case, and most important, you have to make it global and auto mount and make machine permanent. Okay, I just clicked make machine permanent in previous, that's why it's visible over here. So make global and auto mounts, you have to click it. Okay, so it's already shared in my case, so just press the OK. Next is now. Next, I want to do some more steps to copy. Like suppose I am copy something from my window. Now this is we are in a Linux environment here. But suppose I want to copy something from here in window to Linux. So it's not support automatic. We need to follow this some step. Okay. So that's why we are going to the uh, device. Where is my device? Yes, insert guest additions cd image. Okay, yeah. So before that, it's a loading, so I click on this run button. Okay, once you click on that, you need to click on this run button, so it will work in background. Just I'm doing this. Next, next, and next. uh, we can do these steps in previously as well. Okay, now we are good to go. So start using Oracle Linux server. Our Oracle Linux server is in progress. Okay, so here my uh, guest disk OS is in running progress, so I need to wait now. Once it will complete, then we will do the further steps. Okay, side by. Now I again pressing Alt Control Delete cancel to take cursor outside. Oh, why it's not Alt Control Delete? Cancel. Oh, why not delete? Task Manager. Just over. Yeah, fine. Device, and here I'm click on this share device. Where is it? Shared clipboard. Yes, here I'll keep it this bi-directional. Okay, which one? Shared clipboard, and one is drag and drop. Also, I'm keeping bi-directional, and optical drive already visit visible here. Okay, fine. So shared folder, shared device. Yeah, it's fine now. Okay, now building the modules for kernel. What for these steps we are doing? Insert guest additions CD image. We are doing these steps because whenever something, suppose in a let's oh sorry. Okay, so suppose something from window, some text we are copying from window and we need to paste it here in a Linux environment. So for that we need to follow these steps. It's taking the 2 to 3 minutes time approx. We can close this. Yeah, fine. It's actually time taking process. So we need to be very passionate while we are set up the things. Okay, let me brief you something. Meanwhile, see. Uh, what else we required? Okay, so mandatory in desktop and D drive. I have inside the D drive. This folder is for what? This folder we have created to create our virtual machine. So in VM1 is our virtual machine. Inside this virtual machine, this all the files automatically created. Now this is the VM1 shared. What is inside it? Inside it are database folder. Okay, we need to download this and we are shared this folder in our shared folders tab. One more thing I have done which is in my F drive. Here is my software folder. Inside this my one uh, this one Oracle Linux. What is this? This is the uh, ISO image. This is the very mandatory while we are creating the virtual machine. We need to attach this. This is the disk image file. Okay, this file is big. 4.51 GB file is. So now we need to. Sorry, not now, but this file is also mandatory. Okay, so these three things remember. ISO disk image. One more is, as I told you, that database folder which you need to keep inside in one separate shared folder, and one more is a VM box. Hopefully, it will be done in 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, finally. Finally, we are good to go. See, you can see that I clicked here. Now we are able to click here. Now zoom in, zoom out. Also, we need to check that. So see, right now it's uh, zoom in mode. I'm zoom out this.